Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a healthy mojito at home. First, choose fresh lime juice for that essential tangy flavor and a boost of vitamin C. Next, swap out traditional simple syrup for a natural sweetener such as stevia or erythritol to reduce sugar content. Remember to gently muddle fresh mint leaves to unlock their vibrant aroma and taste, which is key to any great mojito. Now, let's gather our ingredients for one refreshing drink. You'll need 2 ounces of your favorite white rum. Prepare about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves and 1/2 of a lime, cut into wedges. Have 1 teaspoon of your preferred natural sweetener on hand. Finally, make sure you have 4 to 6 ounces of sparkling water or club soda to top off your creation. Let's start crafting your healthy mojito. In a sturdy glass, gently muddle the mint leaves and lime wedges together to release their flavors. Next, add your natural sweetener and the 2 ounces of white rum to the muddled mixture. Fill the glass almost to the top with ice cubes, leaving a little room. Finally, top off your drink with 4 to 6 ounces of sparkling water or club soda. To complete your healthy mojito, add a fresh lime wheel to the rim of the glass for a beautiful garnish. For an extra touch of freshness and aroma, tuck in an additional sprig of mint. Serve your mojito immediately to fully enjoy its crisp, refreshing, and guilt-free taste. This simple recipe makes one perfect, healthy mojito for you to savor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.